Hello there, I'm Phil and this is the XBrickX channel, and this video is of the LEGO Creator 3-in-1 Exotic Parrot, also known as a macaw. So this is build number 31136 and it is 253 pieces. It's a relatively small build. Obviously you've got the Exotic Parrot, i.e. macaw, as the main build. Then you've also got secondary builds, which could either be a frog or a fish. So here we have the finished product. As you can see, it's a very colourful and bright build. Really like the addition of the perch as well for the parrot. The wings are slightly opposable on the parrot, so you can angle them slightly, as is the tail as well. Was a fan of the amount of detail they put into the perch as well, with the additional flowers. Also, I thought the build of the head was well done, but all in all, I would say this was a nice and simple build. Relatively quick build, but the overall build itself, I think, looks great, with a good level of detail. So there we have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you've enjoyed the video, like, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, see ya.